Nestled along the gravel road leading to the village of Satirje in the Indian countryside, Villa Uma is a scattered collection of simple structures spread across a 1-acre plot. Each volume of this family holiday home has been positioned to frame picturesque views of the introspective garden and the distant hills of Kankeshwar in Maharashtra. Named in honor of the family matriarch, Villa Uma was designed by Samuel Barclay and his team at Case Design in Mumbai. The construction combines local materials with a primitive concrete frame erected using permanent formwork, created by interlocking locally sourced bricks and black basalt. The rough texture of the exterior protects the softly pigmented interior walls, while lightweight metal structures support the thin corrugated sloping roofs. Each space offers unique perspectives of the surrounding landscape, framed by wooden doors and windows. Inside, the walls are pigmented, predominantly in shades of red, except for the powder room, which is clad in a striking emerald green. Drawing inspiration from the vernacular architecture of the region in both proportion and form, the simple construction system minimizes waste and material transport, ensuring that the residence integrates harmoniously and enriches both the existing and newly designed landscape. Maintaining a minimalist approach to the structure, the careful insertion of designer pieces and lighting highlights the craftsmanship and architectural details of the residence. As one moves through the property, the linear family pool, clad in black and white granite from Karnataka, leads to an intimate pavilion to the east and 2 guest houses to the north. Villa Uma is a modern yet understated holiday home in India, a symphony of materiality, color, and texture. While the surrounding landscape reflects a controlled chaos, the architecture fosters an authentic and welcoming environment, allowing one to be in harmony with nature. free of pretense. The stone paving, meticulously arranged, repurposes basalt waste generated during construction, showcasing a commendable sustainable effort. These pathways seamlessly connect the scattered volumes to the pool, the garden, and the broader landscape of Alibaug.